Are you ready to take a lap of the Commodore deck? This is the lowest deck on Star Clipper. (102) Commodore deck. At both ends of the deck, you're going to find stairways that go up or down, following all the way around the Commodore deck. One thing you have to watch out for, there are waterproof doors, and this could be a tripping hazard. Hey, Chris.
Hey.
All right. Why don't you give us a tour of the Commodore deck? That's what we're videotaping right now.
Oh, hey, we were just gonna. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
We're great. How's the Commodore deck?
It's
good.
It's great. Thanks.
All right. Well, I'm just going to head on all the way around, and
We're going up to the sun deck to take some photos.
I'll see you up there.
All right.
Here's that entryway that could be a waterproof door, trip and fall hazard again. So at either end of the Commodore deck, you're going to find a stairway to help you get up to the upper decks. Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. This is the Clipper deck. This is the deck that also has the dining room on it. Whoa. We're going to go forward on the Clipper deck first. And what you'll notice as we're walking is that the hallways do start to curve towards the bow of the ship. Up at the very front, we have the owner's suite. And we'll just head back around, heading aft on the Clipper deck.